Eh ben, c'est parti, hein. On peut regarder les devoirs du chapitre 3. Let's look at the homeworks of the chapter numéro 3. First exercise was about just writing the numbers in letters. Okay. So there's not much to say here except that we can take this as an opportunity to practice the pronunciation a bit. One more time. C'est parti. 23, 23, 42, 42, 57, 57, 35, 35, 11, 11, 68, 68, 61, 61, 4, 4, 14, 14, 40, 40. As I was mentioning in the chapitre 3, those three right here, I want you to highlight them. You write them in red in your notebook with a lot of highlighters and everything, because I don't want you to make mistakes and to mix them together. 44, 44, 13, 13, 52, 52, 36, 36. Très bien. Exercise number 2, you were supposed to listen to the numbers and write them, just like some kind of a dictée. So let's play the audio one more time, if you want. A, 5, 5, B, 24, 24, C, 68, 68, D, 40, 40, E, 54, 54, F, 16, 16, G, 11, 11, H, 44, 44, I, 21, 21, J, 4, 4, K, 37, 37, L, 14, 14. C'est bon? On regarde. Alors, c'est parti. 5, 24, 68, 40, 54, 16, 11, 44, 21, 4, 37 et 14. Très bien. Last homework was just a pronunciation practice. So I didn't put the audio file here in the slide because I'm going to do it together with you instead. C'est parti. So it might, we talked about this last time in detail, right? It might seem a bit dull or a bit boring or a bit repetitive to do liaison, liaison, liaison like this, but if you can do this seriously, I promise that on the long run, this is useful on your pronunciation. Ok? Trust me. C'est parti. 1 euro. 1 euro. 2 enfants. 2 enfants. 10 euros. 10 euros. Mon ami. Mon ami. My friend. Les enfants. Les enfants. The children. 3 ans. 3 ans. 2 euros. 2 euros. Un enfant. Un enfant. 10 ans. 10 ans. Son ami. Son ami. Ton ami. Ton ami. His friend, your friend. These words like mon, les, son, ton, we haven't seen them yet. We will see them in the future, but here the purpose is just pronunciation, so I just put them. Nous avons. Nous avons. Vous avez. Vous avez. Ils ont. Ils ont. Elles ont. Elles ont. Vous êtes. Vous êtes. 3 amis. 3 amis. 3 enfants. 3 enfants. Ok? Très bien. C'est tout. Bye bye. Let's see each other in chapitre numéro 4.